This is a review of NEMA 14-50R outlet for EV charging with stainless steel wall plate. This is between 125 and 250 volts up to 50 amperes. Here are some of the product specifications. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. This is the user manual, how you're gonna install it. And these are some of the screw packs. And here is the plug. Here is the front side, here is the back side. We're gonna install it like that. We're gonna go ahead and put the plug right there or right there. Trying to make everything ready for the EV charger outlet.
So now we are going to install the breaker that's going to control our outlet. Alright, so now we're going to put this connector in here so that way the wires won't get cut from the opening of the box.
Now we are done putting inside. It was a little bit hard. We're putting the wire inside the pipe. That's a little bit harder than I thought. Now we're good to go. We're gonna put it in the box and connect the breaker. We're just placing the wires onto the breaker, hot wire and neutral. Yeah, we're good to go. The last one is the ground. We are done with the ground. Got the wires and everything, and put the pipe right there. We're gonna make a hole. We're gonna put the wire inside the fitting. Now we're putting all the wires inside the wall. So far, this is what we have. Let's go inside and complete the other part. We're gonna go ahead and cut the drywall according to the size of it.
Now we're going to install the wires and tighten them down. And this product has it color coded, so it's really simple, easy to install. Make sure your wires are tight and that none of the exposed wire is showing. This is the last wire.
Last thing, we're gonna put this
On the cover plate.
We are done with the outlet. We are done with the outlet. You can go ahead and plug it in right there. It was very easy, and I really like the design, by the way. And here is our charger. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to charge my car right there. I need an adapter, by the way. And I will go ahead and put it right there and wait a little bit. And it started charging. 2 hours, 20 minutes. Since it is green, we're good to go. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because we have a nice cover and it has a great material, and it is also very durable. It works with up to 50 amperes and 250 volts. Definitely suggest it.